All right, here's problem 4 from my 2026 Algebra 2 exam review guide. And the question, or the problem states, determine if x minus 5 is a factor of x to the fourth minus 25. So first off, we're going to use the remainder theorem to find the remainder. Now the remainder theorem states if you have some function f of x and you divide that by some linear expression x minus c, then the remainder is going to equal the function evaluated at c. So in this case, our c is 5. So we're going to evaluate x to the fourth minus 25. Now the factor theorem states that if that remainder is 0, then the linear expression is a factor. So let's plug in 5 for x. So we're going to do 5 to the fourth power minus 25. 5 to the fourth power is 625. Minus 25, that's definitely not going to be 0, so that's going to be 600. So I would state, because it's not 0, no, x minus 5 is not a factor of x to the fourth minus 25.